Ooh, look what we have. Every so often I get sent products to try out and talk to you about, and today I'm talking about the Saker Mini Electric Chainsaw. Mini chainsaw. Right, so we've got battery, tools, charger, and oh, it's so cute. It's so tiny. Oil. Oh my gosh, look how this is going to be perfect for that pile of wood. Little safety. Oh. The Saker Mini Electric Chainsaw, it's pretty small and cute. It is exactly as described. It is a miniature chainsaw, which is great for smaller people like me, really great for little jobs around the garden. This is actually probably one of the most fun tools I have ever been sent, let alone owned. It has a 4-inch blade. The maximum width of wood that you can cut is 4 inches, so it is for smaller jobs. It's not for cutting down trees, but it is for cutting small branches. What I found it really useful for is when you have larger branches that you want to cut up into smaller pieces. I had this wood pile that I had been planning on attending to for months, and I just dreaded it because I previously only had a handsaw and I knew it was going to be a big pain of a job. Once I get this, I knew it would be a very quick and easy job, and sure enough, I went ahead, I took that pile of wood and I chopped it up into very small pieces, which were perfect for putting into our fire pit. We're gonna use them tonight. It is electric, so it does come with a rechargeable battery that it has a little charge indicator here. It really holds a lot of charge. The battery can just pop on and off. There is a charger. It plugs straight into the battery, so it's very easy to charge in your house or wherever. You don't need like a whole big space for charging. It also has safety precautions. You have to press the button, otherwise the trigger won't work. It also has what's called a guide plate, which is really good for cutting your wood, making sure you don't have pieces that are too big. It is pretty powerful, so you do want to make sure you use all safety precautions when using this tool. And I'll show you just, that's how quickly the battery just comes on and off. You press the safety button with your thumb, and then you trigger like a gun. It also has a little hand protector here. It came packaged up, ready to go. There was no build other than just popping the battery on, making sure the battery got fully charged, plugging it in, and you were good to go. Like most chainsaw type tools, you will need to oil it every so often. You will also need to clean out any of the sawdust that comes in there. It should only be used by adults, of course, because it is a power tool with a powerful blade. So you do want to exercise some caution there. But it really was helpful for those little projects around the yard that I would have otherwise used a handsaw and would have taken a lot longer. This made really, really short work of those jobs. So it was really, really fun. Absolutely recommend it. It is a tool, but it is a really fun tool to use. It makes something like chopping up firewood fun. And that's saying a lot. So that is pretty much it if you are looking for a tool to make some of those backyard jobs just a little bit easier, just a bit quicker, and is also really fun to use. I definitely recommend getting the Saker Mini Electric Chainsaw, which is available on Amazon.